morning everyone, hope you're all doing well. So today we're in Sosua, Dominican. We're going to be exploring the city and the beaches. Let's go. We're here at Playa Alicia. It's one of the beaches here at Sosua. It's super beautiful. Check it out. Alright, so we're here on the streets of Sosua now. We're going to take you for a little tour around the town, show you what it's all about. Enjoy. Alright, so we've been walking around Sosua for about like an hour or two now. I've been walking around with my $2,000 vlog camera. It's pretty big and obnoxious and I feel safe. It's honestly a great environment here. Everyone's super chill. Besides the fact you got a bunch of people trying to hustle you for excursions all the time, but besides that, it's a beautiful place. I can't complain. I love it. Alright, what's up everyone? So we're here in the streets of Puerto Plata today. We're going to be exploring the whole city. We're going to take you for a cable tour up on the mountains. It's going to be a good day. Alright, so we're here at the Independence Park in the central of Puerto Plata. Super beautiful. Gonna shoot some B-roll and show you how nice this place is. Alright, we're exploring Port San Felipe right now. This place is absolutely stunning. It's right on the water. Let's show you around. Look at this. Climbing up to the top of the fort. This is so cool. Holy. This place is beautiful, man. Doesn't get much better than this. Right on the water, mountains in the background, like absolutely stunning. Alright, we're about to head on the cable car to the top of the mountain. This is going to be a super crazy experience. Alright, we're here at the top of the mountain, about 2,500 feet in the air. This is absolutely insane. Check out this view. Literally on top of paradise right now. Like, come on. At the top of the mountain, we got some nice landscape. Pretty much jungle up here. It's so cool. One thing I gotta say, if you are coming here and planning to hike around, make sure you bring tons of water because it is super hot and super exhausting. We're dying out here, but the view makes it all worth it. Alright, so there's just a couple things I wanted to mention about Sosua and Puerto Plata before I wrap up the video. While I was shooting in Sosua, it was during the day, and I want to mention that during the night the vibe is a little different and it's more of a party city or party town. You will get offered drugs, mangoes, everything if that's why you're going. It is a hot spot for that. I just like to keep it more family friendly on this channel, so I'm not going to dive too much into that. But it is definitely a nice party place and a good place to spend some time at night if that's where you're going. Puerto Plata, the city is also beautiful. We were also there during the day and we didn't really explore much at night, so I don't have an opinion on that. But the whole town, the vibe, everything is super nice, super safe. I had a great time there. The Fort San Felipe was a beautiful place. It's right on the water overlooking the mountains. Super cool to see that. And then the mountain, Mount Isabel de Torres, it's about 2,600 feet up, was the highlight of my trip. It was super beautiful up there. Unfortunately, we went with a tour group, so we weren't able to spend a lot of time there. So if you are going to the mountain, I would recommend hiring a cab driver or someone local just to take you there, drop you off, so you can spend time up there, because you can spend several hours up there. Just remember, it's super hot, so bring water, sunscreen, all that, but you can spend a lot of time up there. It's a super beautiful place. I definitely recommend it. Puerto Plata and Sosua. I'll be back soon. Please leave a like and subscribe. It helps out the channel a lot. Cheers.